आभार का मीनिंग देना, तुमने कोई ग्रेटिट्यूड एहसान नहीं किया। यू हैव नॉट डन एनी ग्रेटिट्यूड ऑन मी टू डू दिस वर्क, ये काम करके तुमने कोई एहसान नहीं किया, तुमने यहां आके कोई एहसान नहीं किया। यू हैव नॉट डन एनी एटीट्यूड टू कम हेयर। You can speak. Have you done attitude? Okay, gratitude on me. क्या तुमने मुझ पे एहसान किया? No. Okay, yes. To watch my video, you have not done any gratitude because you are getting knowledge. Knowledge मिल रही है. Okay. I don't like any gratitude. मुझे एहसान पसंद नहीं है. I don't like gratitude. Okay. I don't like gratitude any person. Any person मतलब किसी का भी, मुझे किसी का भी एहसान पसंद नहीं है। I don't like gratitude any person, right? Yes, I don't like to take any gratitude, right? Yes, any person gratitude, मुझे किसी भी व्यक्ति का एहसान लेना पसंद नहीं है। तो इन दिस वे आप बोल सकते हैं I don't like to take gratitude. Okay, any person gratitude, right? I don't need any person gratitude. मुझे किसी की भी जो है वो आभार की आवश्यकता नहीं है, किसी के एहसान की आवश्यकता नहीं है। He does not want to take your gratitude. वो तुम्हारा एहसान लेना नहीं चाहता। तो इन दिस वे यू कैन स्पीक, हाँ मैं आपका एहसान लेना नहीं चाहता। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू टेक योर ग्रेटिट्यूड, राइट? यू कैन स्पीक आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू टेक योर gratitude. I don't want to take your gratitude, right? Yes, we can say that. क्या तुम उसका एहसान लेना चाहते हो? Do you want to take his gratitude? Right? In this way you can speak. Do you want to take his gratitude? लड़के के लिए बोले तो his आएगा, लड़की के लिए her आएगा। Okay? Gratitude. Right? Yes. So, do you want to take gratitude? And this way we can speak now. तुमने मुझ पे कोई एहसान नहीं किया। You have not done any gratitude on me to come here. Right? यहाँ we can say that. पार्टी देकर कोई एहसान नहीं किया। You have taken lot of party. Okay? You have not given any gratitude to give party because I have given lot of party. बोल सकते हैं आप, right? You have not done any gratitude, right? You have not done any gratitude, right? Gratitude. To come here, to call me, मुझे फोन करके, I have called you lot of time, right? Speak now. To call me, मुझे फोन करके तुमने कोई एहसान नहीं किया। Yes, because I have called you lot of time, right? Because I have called you lot of time. Because I have called you a lots of time. So in this way you can speak now, right? We can say that you have not done any gratitude to get up early. जल्दी उठ के कोई एहसान नहीं किया। In this way we can speak. मेरे पैसे लौटाकर कोई एहसान नहीं किया। You have not done any gratitude to return my money. I have given lot of time to you. In this way we can speak now. मैं किसी का एहसान लेना नहीं चाहता। I don't want to take okay any person gratitude. Okay, yeah, very nice. Do you want to take my gratitude? Do you want to take any person gratitude? Question is that, do you want to take any person Gratitude? No, I don't want to take any person gratitude because I am capable to do work. So I don't want to take any person gratitude. It is very nice topic, right? Yeah, I don't need एनी पर्सन ग्रैटिट्यूड, किसी के एहसान की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे तुम्हारे एहसान की जरूरत नहीं है. आई डोंट नीड योर ग्रैटिट्यूड. इन दिस वे यू कैन स्पीक नाउ. इट इज वेरी नाइस टॉपिक, राइट? हाँ, तुमने जो है we can say that she has not done gratitude to make food. It is her duty. Yeah, she has not done any gratitude to make food because it is her duty, right? आपने मुझे पढ़ा लिखा कोई एहसान नहीं किया. Oh, lot of children they speak. Okay, yes. You have not done any gratitude on me to educate me. Oh, it is very bad talk. Lot of children they speak parents. You have not done. You have not done any gratitude. Any gratitude, right? To educate me, right? क्या एहसान किया है आपने? What gratitude you have done? In this way we can speak. It is very rude. We should not speak like this, right? Yes. You have done too much gratitude on me.